You can use the picture to painting converter to convert your photograph to a canvas painting or turn your photos into drawings. You can take any photo and make it into an oil painting, a watercolor, or even an impressionist drawing. You might take a photograph portrait, and you can create an oil painting. Another idea is to take a landscape and convert it to a watercolor or an oil painting. There are other effects such as creating a comics or cartoon effect, and you can create a fun display by changing your photos. Picture to Painting Converter is a software tool aimed at transforming ordinary pictures into oil paintings in a couple of clicks, using automatic presets. You can also choose to convert a group of photos at the same time. If you want to protect your paintings, be sure to use the Watermark feature to add your signature or watermark. It is easy to use Photo to Painting Converter to transform your photos into different types of paintings. You can add one photo or multiple photos to convert at the same time. You can choose one of the presets to easily convert your picture. Choose from the following artistic presets. Use an artistic preset such as Primo and numerous other options: oil painting, watercolor painting, impressionist painting. You can configure the options for your painting, including the brush shape, level of detail, number of strokes, stroke thickness, density, intensity, length and type, the canvas texture, and more. You can choose different settings for any of these. Batch processing is a feature that allows you to upload multiple pictures and apply the settings to all of them at the same time. This way you only need to set up your conversion one time, and all of the pictures can be converted together. It saves time, and the photos will all go to the same destination folder. Download SoftOrbits Photo to Painting Converter from our website softorbits.net.